Customer write-offs. A write-off in the context of customer accounts refers to the process of removing or reducing the value of a customer's account balance due to the customer being unable or unlikely to pay the balance. This is commonly done when a customer has an outstanding balance that is past due and the company has determined that the customer is unlikely to pay the debt. The write-off is recorded as a loss on the company's financial statements. You can enter customer write-offs from Customers module. Go to Customers, Transactions, select Customer Write-offs. Click Add Write-off. Select the customer. System will display outstanding invoices. You can check the relevant invoice. System will create the document number. You can enter amount, or when you select the invoice, system will pick that invoice amount. You can enter reference number. You can enter description, select date, and if you have analysis code, by clicking analysis code, you can select the analysis codes. After that, you can process the write-off. After you create write-offs, you can view list of write-offs. You can view customer name, document number, reference, date, total, and by clicking these headings, you can sort by ascending or descending order. You can search transactions. You can filter transactions. You can sort by multi-columns. You can export this customer write-offs to CSV file. From settings, you can customize grid. You can check on required columns and uncheck if you want to remove any column. And if you select any write-off, this button will activate. If you want, you can delete this transaction. Or by clicking actions, you can edit or delete the transaction. Like that, you can enter customer write-offs.